5 Best Nespresso Machine 2024. 1. Breville Nespresso Essenza Mini. The Breville Nespresso Essenza Mini is a compact and user-friendly espresso machine that allows you to enjoy a full range of espresso coffee. It features a 25-second heat-up time, energy-saving automatic shut-off, and can brew 2 single-serve cup sizes with just one touch of a button. The machine provides a barista-grade coffee experience, combining a minimalistic design with unrivaled quality. Two. Gevi. The Gevi espresso machine, featuring a powerful 1350W thermoblock fast heating system, can make espresso or froth milk in just 45 seconds. With a 20-bar high-pressure pump, it ensures fast and stable extraction, resulting in a fragrant and crema-rich espresso. The machine offers adjustable espresso amounts with options for one shot, double shots, or manual control. The NTC Intelligent Temp Control System, equipped with 2 separate thermostats, allows precise temperature control for both espresso and frothing, ensuring an ideal coffee and milk foam taste. Three. Nespresso Vertuo. The Nespresso Vertuo by Breville offers the convenience of brewing 5 single-serve cup sizes with a single touch. Utilizing dual-size single-serve capsules for coffee or espresso, it employs patented centrifusion extraction technology to read barcodes and automatically set brewing parameters. With features like an adjustable tray, 40 ounces water reservoir, and automatic capsule ejection, it brews espresso, double espresso, Gran Lungo, and coffee. The machine has a quick heat-up time, energy-saving auto shut-off, and comes with a complimentary capsule set. Four. Nespresso VertuoPlus Deluxe. The Nespresso VertuoPlus Deluxe by Breville provides a variety of coffee formats in 5 sizes, including 5, 8, and 12-ounce coffees, as well as single and double espressos brewed hot or over ice. It features a compact Vertuo design with a removable 37 fluid ounces water tank for easy access, making it suitable for small spaces. The machine is simple and convenient, offering one-touch coffee brewing, a 30-second heat-up time, automatic pod ejection, and an adjustable drip tray for shorter cups. Precision brewing ensures a smooth, full-bodied coffee with a velvety layer of foam. The machine comes with a complimentary tasting pack of Vertuo coffees, and Nespresso capsules are fully recyclable. The capsules are exclusively compatible with Nespresso Vertuo machines. 5. Nespresso VertuoPlus. The Nespresso VertuoPlus by Breville is a single-serve coffee and espresso machine that allows you to brew coffee or espresso at the touch of a button. It features innovative programs such as a 25-second heat-up time and energy-saving automatic shut-off. This versatile coffee maker can brew 4 different cup sizes, 5 ounces and 8-ounce coffee, single and double espresso, to suit your preferences. The machine comes with a large 40-ounce water tank and a 10-count used pods container. Above are the top best products. I will put links to these products below the video description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest reviews and comparisons.